Hey, what's up everyone? It's Mark with M2M Detail. In this video, we're going to be tinting the back window, 2020 Highlander. We got a bunch of videos released on this vehicle right now. But yeah, so we're going to use our scan grip light to be able to see the dot matrix. So let's get into the window tint. Alright guys, so by leaving the light on inside, we're able to see the edges of the window and what we need to cover. So that's why we do that, if you guys are wondering. So you can see kind of where you need it to go. Top's a little tall, not too bad. Okay, so that looks good. So now we just get our T or H pattern going. So going from the center out like that. We grab a Mac tack. I like to shrink window tint with a Mac tack, guys. So we'll go all the way across. Do that like that. All the way across again. Draw our H. Okay, so let me turn that light off. Let me get you guys a close up too. All right guys, so before we start shrinking, I like to grab all my fingers, just organize them a little bit, get them more straight so not bunched up everywhere. I know it's gonna be hard to see on camera, every time it's hard, but we're gonna be shrinking this window straight across, row by row pretty much. I find that's the easiest way, so let's do it. So guys, when you get close to the bottom, just want to take your time. You don't want to get any fingers or creasing it. So I'm going to turn down the heat, because unfortunately when my plotter cut this, it cut straight through the bottom. That's not supposed to happen. So normally we have excess material down here, which we don't. So we got to be a little more careful on the shrinking. All right guys, so that's it for the shrinking part. I'm gonna take it back over to the whiteboard and then we're gonna deweed it and then we'll come back and install it. So guys, we're just wiping it down real lightly to get the dryer sheet off it. You don't want that when you're installing it. No need for it. So just give it a quick little wipe down. Nothing crazy, no pressure pretty much. Alright, so let's deweed this real quick. Okay, just gotta trim up this corner right here, guys. Didn't come out that clean. There we go. Now we're gonna flip it over. Just like that. Now let's go get this back window nice and prepped. All right, guys, so we're gonna be doing a little cleaning real quick. Get this out of the way. We're going to use our IK sprayer just a little bit. Get our scrub pad, and we'll go through and clean this all up. There we go. All right. We go back with our squeegee, guys. Ooh, looks nice and clean. Do one more pass. So this one will just be with the slip solution. I'm catching it as it falls, so we don't make a mess everywhere. All right, now we're gonna throw a little bit on. Not gonna do too much, just a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the tint. I'll be right back. Okay guys, coming in hot with the tint. So just wanna line that front side up right there. Slide it in a little bit. Let's get this back side up. Bend it a tiny bit. Nothing crazy. There we go. Get this in. Just like that. Alright, get this back moved up. Slide that under there. There we go. Now we just work out the air bubble, guys. You try to get them all out, or most of the big ones out. You don't want those in there when you start squeegeeing. They could cause some issues, have you crease the film. You don't want that. There we go. Some more air bubbles. Okay, so now that we got all the big air bubbles out, we are good to squeegee. Let's do a quick little wipe right here. All right, so let's squeegee. We got our Blue Max. So guys, when I do back window, I like to start with the hump right here, and it's gonna work a tiny area in like that. Remember, you don't wanna work all of it up because all the slip solution will come back into your tint. So then we're gonna go straight down, like that. There we go. And then now we're gonna work our way out, like this. There we go. So we're gonna check our top edge. Make sure we don't have too much slip solution coming back in. Pull it to the side. let's work on this side now. So I'll work our way over, hit this top, bring it all to the side. There we go. And we will work this down. Okay, looks good. Do one more, guys, same way. Nothing's changed. Go up right there. I'm going back down. Work that top corner like that. All the way across. Looking good. Okay, now we got that all done. Now we're gonna go over our peach card and we're gonna hit all these corners real quick. Try to get any solution out we can with this. And then last, we'll grab our heat gun and get out any trouble areas that have issues, which I think we're gonna have a couple right here, but nothing crazy. Grab it along here. There we go. Those came right out. Oh, one came back. Not a big deal. Then we're gonna hit this top area right here. Get all this out. Okay. Hit this corner. All right, guys, so now we're gonna grab the heat gun real quick, and then we're gonna do the same thing we just did. Oh, let's do this backside first. Not much going on back here, guys. Everything looks good. There we go. All right, let's get this one out. All right, everything looks good. No issues, guys. Just push these down like that. Run this across. Oh. Came back over here. And there we go, guys. Woo. All right, guys. So you probably can't tell, but it looks great. I know it's kind of black. So we did 25% ceramic, and this is over the factory tint. So it looks nice and dark, but at nighttime you'll still be able to see out no problem. All right, guys, so I appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe. As always, Mark out.